Hi everyone, it's Wendi Kohler here, and today I want to teach you a little bit about hyssop essential oil. This is not normally available with doTERRA, but it is part of our ancient oil collection that's part of our holiday offerings. Now, I have done a longer video on all 6 of those oils that you might be interested in, and I will link it up below for you if you want to find out more about all of them. But for this video, I'm just going to talk about hyssop. Hyssop is an oil that is a part of the mint family, and it was regarded as sacred, as medicinal, as a very, very special oil for the Greeks and the Hebrews. It's been one of the oldest oils known to be used for medicinal purposes. And let me just pull up a slide for you that's going to help walk us through some of the uses. So here we go. You can use this oil aromatically and topically, lots of different ways, but we're generally speaking, we're going to support our gut or digestion. We're going to support our respiratory function. We can help support skin. We can help to soothe emotions and get us grounded. And it's also an oil that supports circulation and blood flow. So number one, you can use this oil, hyssop, to apply to the abdomen to soothe stomach discomfort. You'd want to use a carrier oil, and I recommend applying it in a clockwise direction along the flow of digestion. Number two, you can use it to support a healthy liver and gallbladder. You want to apply to the feet or reflexology points in the feet. You can apply to the low back or over those organs as well. Number three, you can add a few drops to your moisturizer to reduce the appearance of skin imperfections. This is a great oil to support healthy skin. Number four, you can diffuse or inhale, but you can diffuse in your home to help purify and freshen the air. And we all like fresh, clean, purified air. So a few drops in your diffuser. Remember that with doTERRA's oils, you only need 3 to 6 drops. You don't need anything more than that. And you can combine this oil with oils like bergamot or clary sage or lavender or other mint essential oils. You can support your respiratory system and reduce congestion with this oil by diffusing it or by applying it to your chest as part of a chest rub. You can inhale directly from cupped hands for the exact same option there. You can add a drop with honey to tea and help soothe a sore throat. You can apply to areas of concern to promote circulation and blood flow. So add a couple drops to your fractionated coconut oil or your moisturizer, and you're going to apply to the area of concern. Usually this is the legs or feet. So I would work in an upwards motion for that to promote circulation. And then lastly, you can apply hyssop topically to support or reduce skin irritations. So this is a great oil to keep on hand. I'm so grateful it's part of our holiday offering in our ancient oils. And if this was helpful for you, just make sure you like it, maybe even share it or comment below. And don't forget to check out my video that has all 6 of the essential oils in the ancient oil collection. Thanks for watching today.